Four-dimensional cleaning is cleaning the floors, the walls, the ceiling, and the fourth dimension is the airspace. Airspace is cleaned by picking up more dust with microfiber. In microfiber, the dust clings to the product, so we're not putting more dust back into the air. And with four-dimensional cleaning, we use pre-treat systems. By pre-treating mops and the iScrub 26H pads in the smaller buckets, we keep all of our products in the pre-treat buckets. We're not going back and forth to the janitor's closet like you'd have to do with a bucket and wringer. We save water, labor, and chemical. Water is saved by pre-treating. We'll use 6 liters for one worker in a workday, where a typical bucket and wringer, by changing the bucket throughout the day, you'll use 90 liters of solution. So we're saving a lot of water and the chemical that goes into the water. Labor savings comes from not having to go back and forth to the janitor's closet and emptying the bucket and wringer out. Pre-treating eliminates wringing the bucket and mop and cloths. When you're using a typical cloth in a bucket, you put it in the solution and then wring it out by hand. With the iScrub 26H, you take a pre-treated pad out, put it onto the iScrub 26H, and then clean your surface. So you're not wringing out a cloth or a pad.